Most AI courses teach you theory. We build things. There's a difference.
I'm Tracy Longfield, and if you've been trying to figure out AI for your business, but still not sure where to actually start, then this is for you. I built 2 businesses using AI, not because I had extra time. I did it in the margins of a full-time corporate career, so I know exactly how overwhelming it can feel and how simple it can actually be.
I'm Robert Mutal, a 16-time Emmy Award-winning TV producer turned AI strategist. I worked with business owners on time-saving processes, and I kept seeing the same thing over and over. People drowning in AI tools with no system to actually use them. That's why Tracy and I built this.
The AI Implementation Lab exists because the problem isn't access to AI, it's knowing what to do with it. In your business, this week, in a way that sticks.
Every session is 90 minutes with only 10 people. And over 6 weeks, you will build real things, advanced prompts, custom workflows, agents, and your own AI tool built and working by week 6.
This isn't a course you watch and forget.
It's a lab where you leave every session with something you can use right away.
If you are ready to stop experimenting and start building, come join us.
The next cohort starts soon and there are only 10 seats.